Use Windows Security to prevent viruses and spyware in Windows 11. Windows Security is included with Windows and helps to prevent malware from infecting your computer through real-time protection and scanning options. Step 1. Enable Windows Security. From the desktop, search for Windows Security and open it. Check the message in the Virus and Threat Protection area. If the shield icon displays a green circle with a check mark and the message "No actions needed" is displayed, Windows Security is enabled. If the shield icon displays a red circle with an X and the message "Actions needed" is displayed, click Turn On to enable Windows Security. Step 2. Scan for and remove viruses and spyware from PC. In the Windows Security window, select Virus and Threat Protection on the left-hand side. Click Quick Scan to check the places on the hard disk drive that malware is most likely to infect. If no threats were detected, no action is needed. If threats were detected, choose from the options that display, such as Clean Threats or Start Actions to resolve the threat. Click Scan Options in the Virus and Threat Protection window. In the Scan Options window, you can choose between Quick Scan, Full Scan, Custom Scan, and Windows Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. The Full Scan option checks all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than an hour. Check the bubble next to Full Scan and then click Scan Now to begin the scan. The Custom Scan option lets you choose which files and locations you want to check. Check the bubble next to Custom Scan and then click Scan Now. A Select Folder window will pop up. Choose which folder or directory you want to scan and click Scan Folder to initiate the scan. The Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan option can help to find and remove malicious software that can be difficult to remove from your device using up-to-date threat definitions. Click the bubble next to Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan and then click Scan Now. A Save Your Work pop-up window will appear before restarting the computer. Save all work and then click Scan. After Windows Defender Offline Scan runs, you need to open the scan results to view them. In the Virus and Threat Protection window, look under the Current Threats section to see the results of the offline scan as well as options to deal with any threats found. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.